Next is question number exercise 6b. Question number 1 is homework. Question number 2. It's problems based on geometrical figures. The hypotenuse of a right angle triangle is 26 centimeter. So let us draw a right angle triangle. Its hypotenuse is 26 centimeter and the sum of the other two sides is 34. Sum of these two sides is 34 centimeter. Find the length of its sides. That is the question. So we don't know the other two sides. Let the base be x centimeter. So can you say this side, the third side? Yes, we know that the sum of these two sides is 34. So how can we obtain the third side? Yes, it is 34 minus x. So we obtained, let x 34 minus x and 26 be the sides of right angled triangle. Right angled triangle has three sides, one hypotenuse and other two legs. So what is the relation in a right angled triangle? Familiar with you? That is Pythagoras theorem. Let us apply that here to obtain the quadratic equation and solve. What is Pythagoras theorem? Base square plus altitude square gives hypotenuse square. Sum of the squares of the other two sides gives the square of hypotenuse. Let us simplify this. X square plus, here we can apply a minus b the whole square, okay? That is 34 square minus 2 into 34 into x square. That is 34 minus x, 34 minus x the whole square, okay? 34 square minus 34 into 2, 68x plus x square equal 26 square. You know that the square of 26 is 676. And add the square values, x square plus x square, 2x square plus 1156 is the square of 34. 34 into 34 you multiply, you will get 1156 minus 68x minus 676 equal to 0. We can subtract these two numbers to obtain the quadratic equation. 2x square minus 68x. What is 1156 minus 676? Yes, it is 480. Gives 0. Now we can simplify this equation by dividing each term by 2. Okay, each term is a multiple of 2. Coefficients are multiples of 2. So what is 2x square by 2? X square. 68 by 2? 34. And 480 by 2? 240. Equal to 0. This is the quadratic equation. So we have a statement and we write that statement in the form of a quadratic equation and we are going to solve that by factorization method. You have to find two numbers so that the product is 240 and sum is 34. Very easy, no? Yes. Which are the two numbers? Yes, 24 and 10. 24 and 10. What is 24 and 10? Sum gives 34. We need minus 34. So minus 24 and minus 10 makes minus 34. And minus 24 into minus 10 gives plus 240. Okay. So let us factorize this. That is x square minus 24x minus 10x plus 240 gives 0. Let us group. X is common here, x minus 24. Here minus 10 is common, x minus 24 gives 0. X minus 24 is common and x minus 10 gives 0. Implies x equal to 24 or x equal to 10. So both are positive, we can take the values, both values. So if x equal to 24 centimeter, what is 34 minus x? That is 34 minus 24, no? 10 centimeter, okay? If x equal to 10 centimeter, what is 34 minus x? It's 34 minus 10, no? 24 centimeter. So, we obtain 24 and 10 are the other two sides. 24, 10 26 are the 3 sides. Okay, thus we obtained the 3 sides of the given right angle triangle. Do the third question homework. Do the third question homework. Now let us solve the 6th problem. Perimeter of a rectangle is 104 meter and its area is 640 meter square. Find its length and breadth. That is the question. And if L and B are the dimensions of rectangle, how can we find the perimeter? Yes, 2 into L plus B gives the perimeter, no? Is equal to 104. And can you say what is L plus B? 104 by 2. 52 meters. And the second equation is area. What is the formula to find area of rectangle? Yes, its length into breadth gives 640. So that we can obtain the value of, combining these two equations, we can obtain the quadratic equation. From this equation, this is equation number 1. From the first equation, we can write the value of L or B in terms of the other variable. Suppose L is equal to 52 minus B. Okay, from the first equation, sum is 52. So I wrote L, one variable L is equal to 52 minus B. And substitute this value in equation number 2. This is equation number 2. Substitute L equal to 52 minus B in second equation. So how can we write the second equation? Product of L and B is 640. So we can write 52 minus B into B gives 640. Okay. Now we have the equation in one variable only. 52 into B minus B into B square equals 640. Okay. Let us write all values to the right side. 640 plus B square minus 52B equal to 0. Thus we obtained a quadratic equation. We can rearrange in the standard form. Okay. So let us factorize. Product is 640 and sum is 52. This is also very easy. Which are the two numbers having the product 640 and sum 52? Yes, they are 32 and 20. 32 plus 20, 52. And 32 into 20 is 640. Here is sum is negative 52. So both are negative. Product is plus, no? So both should be negative. So B square minus, we can write it as 32B minus 20B plus 640 equal to 0. Group them. B into B minus 32 minus 20 into B minus 32 equal to 0. And here we can take the common factor, common term. B minus 32 into B minus 20, 0. 0 product rule. B equal to 32 or B equal to 20. Okay. So we can take breadth as 32, then length equal to, how can we obtain the length? Yes, 52 minus 32. 20. If B is equal to 20, L is equal to 52 minus 20, that is 32. So we can take length as 32 and breadth as 20. So 32 and 20 are the, you can see that 52 minus 20 as L, that is 32, no? And we can take 32 and 20 are the dimensions of rectangle.